let's take advantage of the opportunities we have this month to really speak life into our kids' character and to encourage them to take advantage of opportunities you may not have other times of the year.
It's a great season to focus on character building and gratitude. And so how can we use this season best to kind of do things like that?
Right. I love that because I think that we can think of the holidays as an overwhelming time, a busy time. It has that element to it, of course.
Yeah.
And sometimes I think we end the holidays a little frustrated with our kids because we might struggle with them being entitled or greedy or not very thoughtful towards others. So what I like to do is just go into the holidays, since it's early in December as this comes out, and kind of flip that script and say, let's take advantage of the opportunities we have this month to really speak life into our kids' character and to encourage them to take advantage of opportunities you may not have other times of the year and maybe create new opportunities. And I think there's so many ways we can do that, whether it's, taking something you're going to do anyway, baking cookies. But instead of just making it about, baking cookies, eating cookies, it's like, let's think of somebody who might not have family around that we can deliver these cookies to and really bless them. And as we're focusing on that, they might act like they're not listening, but they are. They're hearing that. For us, I love the elderly. So I love to find a nursing home or retirement community that we might go in, and my son plays guitar, ukulele. And so let's find just one afternoon where we can spend an hour or two serving somebody else. So I just love taking the opportunity during the holidays to really flip that. And instead of worrying that our kids are going to, end the holidays and I've had holidays where I'm frustrated by the end. I'm thinking, what have I done wrong? But if you go into it with intentionality, you can certainly flip that and make it a really positive time.
Homeschool Insights is brought to you by Apologia, BJU Press Homeschool, and CTC Math. Visit the show notes to learn more about these excellent homeschooling resources. And for more encouragement, listen to the Schoolhouse Rocked podcast at schoolhouserocked.com.